This next one, you can't give it a shot, even though you might want to. This video emerged on Twitter. This crazy video, dude. This wild video of this. This thing was supposed to be open. It's not open yet for a number of reasons. Super Nintendo World in Japan, and this is like an amusement park, but it looks. I hope I can explain this to people properly. It doesn't look like an amusement park. It looks like a video game. They've done such a great job of the movement of the things in the mechanical movement of these things that it looks fake to your eyes. There's a guy filming a video about it. He put it on Twitter, and people picked up that video, started to write articles about it. This thing was ready to go. Was supposed to open. They can't open because of lockdown situation. And so this is our glimpse at it. And they nailed it. It's so Super Mario. It's such a surreal experience. It looks like you're in a video game.
Yeah, we were talking about like how there's no like reflections on the surfaces. That's why it looks so fake. Everything is flat.
I didn't believe
like
the clip.
Game.
I had to ask you. I didn't believe the clip. I had to say, Will, is this real?
What's going on here? Yeah, it's.
I don't know how they made everything so matte. What kind of, what did they plaster everything with? Look at those coins moving, man.
How did this guy, did he climb up a building and take
I don't know.
Spy video?
It's a good question how he got this spy video, but there are aerial photos of the theme park, which have been published as well. A lot of people were waiting for it, and unfortunately they can't go experience it, but that clip has like 300,000 views. So obviously people are interested, and it's not a huge theme park, right? It's not a Disney World scale theme park, but they have packed so much stuff into there, and the look of it is so cool. I can't wait to see more video emerge of it because I'm really curious to see what it looks like right on the ground level.
Yeah.
This is the overhead shot Will can show you there. Over in a city corner, just jammed in there, real life Super Mario World. Really cool. Anyways, it'll open one day, but in the meantime, it's going to be one of those quiet, abandoned. You know how people like to tour those abandoned theme parks?
Yeah.
This one's abandoned, but it was never inhabited. It was never occupied.
It's a very sad feeling.
It's kind of weird right now, but people will get in there one day. They just got to keep it pristine. They got to just go in there and wipe things down and keep it polished up and ready to go.
And all the more reason to go to Japan.
Oh, yeah. That's right. You keep telling me I got to go to Japan, right?